Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel LB Plans. My name is Elle and today I am planning in my Wonderland222 A5, which is my catch-all planner. I am using this kit from Lexie Kylee Designs. It's a cute little Valentine's Day kit, and I matched it up with some Dalmatian washi that I got from Simply Gilded back in the days when I was a washi hoarder. So let's get started on this plan with me. Today I thought I would add a little pizzazz with the washi. I don't use a lot of gold accents anymore, but why not? It's Valentine's week, it's the week of love. So I just went for it. I typically don't like to use the date headers, but they were kind of cute, so I went ahead and went with it. I noticed that it's more like the washi strips is a little bit, the washi tape that I have has more of a Dalmatian polka dot, whereas the date headers is more, I guess it's Dalmatian, but it looks a little bit more polka dotty. I don't know if there's really a difference, but I feel like you can see a difference between there. And I thought that it would just be a cute little contrast for Valentine's Day. But here's the thing with this particular kit. I wish I would have got it like I normally get my kits, half transparent, half just on the white backing. But I feel like I made it work. I really tried to incorporate a lot of the deco into it because it's really cute. But I did have, problems like I always do with laying stuff down. I know I put the 14th in the wrong spot. I'm gonna fix it, but luckily these old stickers that I had from Happy Planner work just fine. If you see me using this little plastic blade, it has become my new friend. I think I got this when I was trying to remove a car sticker or something. It was a little kit and I just kept all the blades because it's really nice. It really works in getting under the sticker to remove it, but sometimes if it's down, it's down. And that's one of the things that I kind of don't like about these particular stickers when they are on the white, kind of matte white versus the transparent. Them suckers, when they're down, they're down. They will not move. And some reason you can't find the sticker removal liquid anymore, which that's fine because I would die if the paper was too wet and it seeped through on the other side. So anyway, typical plans, right? I'm gonna make sure I use some of the deco, but I wanted to kind of create my sidebar to the bottom. And for this week, I was just gonna have a little to-do list, not too much, because I don't like to overexert myself into different things. So I have my little to-do list at the bottom. And then I like to identify meal ideas. I'm getting so much better with meal planning. I still have a long way to go. But I am getting so much better with meal planning, at least of knowing options that we have for the week. And that's typically how I do it. I plan by having meal ideas. And I use those meal ideas to pick what we can eat for dinner that week. So although we are supposedly on a no spend for eating out, of course it's Valentine's Day, we're probably going to eat out, but I don't like going to restaurants during Valentine's Day, so we will have to do something a little different there, but we'll probably order to go, which is still just as horrible. I would prefer just to cook at home. Really sweet on the 15th, however, no, on Thursday, the 16th, we are going to the Wick. It is a candle bar here in, well, actually in Jacksonville, but you can make your own candles. And I wanted to get into candle making. I just haven't had the time to really invest into it. So as a little treat, my husband is taking me, he is taking me to the Wick to do a candle bar, and I'm gonna share with you guys what my candle looks like when it's done. I am super amazed because they have like 90 different scents of fragrance oils that you can choose from and kind of create your own candle blend. or candle fragrance blend probably is a better phrase for that. So if you guys have been here for a while, you know that Sundays are self-care days. I try not to do a whole bunch of things on Sunday. I don't really want plans, and in my wellness planner, I just put things that I want to do on Sunday, like if I want to get a pedicure, or if I want to get a manicure, or if I want to do a face mask or soak in the bathtub. Like those are days for me to reset for myself. So that is the plan there. I am super excited about that weekend though. I waited till after Valentine's Day. I'm waiting till after Valentine's Day to do a 10-day green smoothie cleanse. I've done it before. I've never made a full 10 days, so I am going to do kind of an abbreviated version of it. And I'm super excited. I want to refocus in on my health goals and getting some of my numbers, or keeping some of my numbers down and in a line. So more to come on that. That'll be more in my wellness planner section. I think I'm doing a really good job on layering. I've never been a person that did a lot of layering with putting things on top of each other, but I tried to explore with that a little bit on the right side corner. So you'll see that there's this like flowers and the script, and then this other rose on top of it. I don't know. I'm giving it a try, you guys. Like, I had to become a little bit more self-aware and realize that where I am is okay. I know where I am, and that is okay. That is my affirmation for the whole month of February. I know where I am, and it is okay. Like, sometimes it seems like the world wants you to think that you're supposed to be in a different place or position in life, and that's not the case. You are exactly where you need to be. So I hope my affirmation for the month of February helps you guys as well too. So as you can see, I don't try to overdo plans. We play it by ear, right? I mean, no one really knows what they're going to do each day. And if your life is that structured, kudos to you. But I'm trying to find opportunities to do more of things that make me happy and that gives me joy. And that is not always having a plan to be somewhere. So there's very limited plans on this week. The normal stuff, my daughter has piano. My son, oh my God, he's gonna find out. Well, first on Wednesday, he's doing the high school expo. So he gets to go check out the high school and see the different things that it gets to offer for them. And then on the 17th, which is that Friday, he's applied to two particular programs. So we'll find out if he's going to make or be accepted into either of the programs. So we did like a plan A and a backup plan B, and then we got a backup plan C if he doesn't make up those. So I'm super excited. I'm waiting on the news for that. They're both accelerated programs for high school, and you have to start it in the ninth grade. So fingers are crossed. He's a very bright kid, and I just want to make sure we take advantage of every opportunity that the school district has. The whole purpose of us living outside of Jacksonville and not in the main city is because the school districts are better. So there's that. I think I have talked your ear off enough. This is basically what it's going to turn out to be. I'm just filling in a little bit of things here and there. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them down below. I will put it in the description box, the kit information, if you guys want to check it out. As always, take care of yourself, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.